In the western waste a storm is brewing, known as the Reaver. With it come whispers of the exiled seeking revenge and nightmares of legend. The battle at Centropolis between the Jotun and Scythian, coupled with this new impending threat, means opportunity. And with it, every mercenary worth his salarium has risen to accept the challenge. This leaves the Jotun and Scythian little choice but to accept the unlikely aid of mercenary allies in their existing battle. Prepare yourselves for the coming storm.